The Geores. Geores is using to measuring the electrical resistivity of the subsurface and self-potential are identified as suitable methods to find the hidden objects in a subsurface. A survey line is a designated path along which measurements to collect geotechnical data about the subsurface. The Geores Device. Prepare the soil mixture in soil cups to place on the hardtop in cement or concrete and road surface. Here we did not dig and nail in the road surface and concert it. Insert the nail rod in the soil cup with a tight press. Each electrode rods plot on the road surface. Place the signal wire to connect to each electrode. The signal cable is connecting to the Geores device. Each clipping wire is connecting to the signal cable and electrode rod. Pour small amount of water for ground connectivity. The Geores device is starting to take survey line experiment and her data file is sending to the host system.